NEO makes it easy to offer a personalized and flexible learning experience to your students. The automation feature allows you to set up rules that trigger actions when certain conditions are fulfilled. Administrators can make users feel welcomed by adding site-level actions that offer a personalized first touch with the platform. When adding actions, it is simple to find the right one by browsing the tabs displayed in the pop-up. For example, we can add a membership action that enrolls each new user in an introductory class. Within classes, there is a large variety of actions that make learning more engaging. You can add rules for classes and lessons. These are related to enrollment, unenrollment, re-enrollment, completion, and more. You can add rules that trigger actions at a site-wide, class, lesson, assignment, and group level. If you want to add a new enrollment action after students have already enrolled, you can also apply rules retroactively. To help students settle in quickly, you could add enrollment rules that add new users to a class collaboration group, where they can find tips and advice from others. When students complete all the activities in the class, you can acknowledge their accomplishments by adding an action that automatically awards a completion certificate. You can also add completion rules for lessons and sections to make students more active in the learning process. If the gamification feature is enabled for the class, you can award students with points and badges to advance through the game levels and improve their ranking on the leaderboard. This healthy competition will motivate students to advance in the class and have more fun while learning. Rules can also be added to groups. You can add membership rules that trigger actions when your students join or leave the group. For example, we can untag students who leave the group by selecting the Remove Tag action from the other tab of the action pop-up. You're now ready to add rules and automate your classes to save precious time. Schedule a demo of NEO today to learn more about our innovative features.